If you want to transition into tech, whether it is cybersecurity, network engineering, cloud, DevOps, or system administration, this message is for you. Hi, my name is Dr. John Onubogu, the founder of Cybernova Academy, and we are transforming the next generation of tech leaders through hands-on practical training using the same enterprise technologies employers are using in their real workplace. Not theory, not shortcuts, but real-world labs. Let me tell you something powerful. Breaking into tech is not about watching endless tutorials. It's about building, configuring, troubleshooting, breaking things, fixing them, and understanding how enterprise systems actually work. This is why I am launching a brand new podcast where I will be breaking down hands-on labs in minutes, practical, focused, and career-driven. We will cover network engineering labs, VLANs, routing, DMVPN, IPsec, BGP, OSPF, EIGRP, firewalls, multicasting, cybersecurity labs like SIEM, using Splunk, using Microsoft Sentinel, using EDRs, using Defender for Endpoint, packet analysis, and threat hunting. For Linux and Windows OS labs, we'll be covering Active Directory, Bash, PowerShell, hardening, Kali Linux, offensive security. For DevOps labs, we'll be covering CI/CD pipelines, some Terraform coding, Docker, Kubernetes, infrastructure as a code. For cloud labs, we'll be covering AWS, Azure, Oracle, real enterprise scenarios. Each episode will feel like you are sitting beside me in a real lab environment, learning the commands, understanding the why behind them, and seeing the results in action. Because employers don't hire certificates anymore. They hire skills, confidence, and proof. If you are serious about transitioning into tech, leveling up, or finally getting that breakthrough role, this podcast is built for you. Follow this page, share this lab with friends who may need it. And if you are ready to build real skills, not just watch from sidelines, comment interested if you would like to start your journey into tech. Thank you for listening.